In this video, we'll be talking about online business ideas you can start today. The first business idea is making body products. You can make products such as body butter, lotion, body oil, and scrubs. You can find the recipes on YouTube and follow step-by-step tutorials to experiment with these products. And this business idea doesn't require a lot of money to start with. And you control the supply of your product depending on your customers. You can always start small and build your way up in terms of your quantity of your product. The second business idea is lip gloss. This is fairly easy and inexpensive to make. It's also lightweight and easy to ship, and you can learn how to make lip gloss on YouTube, or you can buy it in bulk. You're also in control of your supply. You also don't have to spend crazy amounts of money to make your product. The third business idea is making a clothing brand, and you can customize your clothing on Alibaba to your liking and get it for a cheap price if you purchase in bulk. And you can pick specific designs, colors, and styles that match your brand. The fourth business idea is selling bags and wallets, and you can buy in bulk on Alibaba for a cheap price, and they have lots of styles to choose from, and you can also customize them to fit your brand. The fifth business idea is selling jewelry, and you can make rings, bracelets, and necklaces, or buy them in bulk. They're also lightweight and easy to ship. And if you guys want a separate video on how to market your small businesses, make sure to comment below. And thanks for watching.